Hey everyone! Did you know that those chill lo-fi videos you watch to relax or study can actually make you some serious cash? Lo-fi videos with their mellow music and minimal visuals not only offer you a sense of peace, but can also be a steady source of income. You've probably seen examples like Lo-Fi Girl, which has 14 million subscribers. Their most popular video has over 100 million views, and most of their videos have over 1 million views. It's not just this channel. There are many others in this niche with millions of subscribers and views. But have you ever wondered how much these channels can earn? You might be surprised to learn that some of these channels make thousands of dollars a month. Yes, you got it right. $5,000, $7,000, or even over $80,000 a month. The good news is you can create a channel like this too and start earning even if you don't have any musical background. But how? Don't worry, I'll show you step by step. So watch the video carefully until the end. Let's start by creating the music. There are many AI tools for creating music, but today I've chosen AIVA, which is fantastic. Listen. To create music with this AI, we first need to log in. I'll click on the login button and log in with my Gmail. Here, I'll click on the Create Track button. There are different ways to create music in this AI. If you have a good understanding of music, you can choose more professional options. But the first option is the easiest way to create music. So I'll choose from a style. There are many styles here, 16 pages full of styles. Since we want to create lo-fi music today, I'll search for lo-fi here. Again, there are different styles of lo-fi that are very useful for creating different videos. I'll click on lo-fi ambient. Then I'll leave the key signature on auto. I'll set the duration to 30 seconds. And for the number of compositions, I'll choose 2. Then I'll click on Create Track. AIVA is incredibly fast, and the quality of the music it creates is amazing. Listen. To download the music, I'll click on the download icon. AIVA provides me with different formats: MP3, MIDI, chord, and even other formats. I download my songs in MP3 or zip format. As you can see, it says here that I'm allowed to download one more song. Why? Because AIVA allows us to download 3 songs per month. Look at this page. In the free AIVA plan, the copyright of the created music belongs to AIVA. But if you want to earn money from these songs and have the copyright belong to you, you need to buy this plan. This way, the music becomes yours, and you can earn money by publishing it on various sites like Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, or YouTube. Other AI tools like Muber.com, Traxy.ai, and suno.ai can also create good songs for you. So I suggest you try them too. That was pretty easy so far, right? Now let's move on to creating the animation. To create such an animation, we need a picture. You can use any AI that generates images. I'm going to use Leonardo because it's both free and has excellent quality. On the Leonardo.ai website, click on Launch App. Sign up using one of these methods. Here you can see the images that others have created with Leonardo. Click on Image Creation. Leonardo gives 150 free credits daily that can be used to create images. In this box, I enter the prompt. I wrote, "A beautiful Eastern girl with black curly hair wearing a red jacket is sitting at her desk in her study room with her head resting on the desk, asleep. Her desk faces a window through which the city can be seen. It's a rainy day with raindrops hitting the window. On the desk, there is a notebook and a pencil. In the study room, there is a vase with colorful flowers and a few photos stuck to the wall." From this section, I choose the image style. Anime is a good choice for lo-fi videos. From here, I specify the size of my image, and from here, the number of images. Then I click on the Generate button. What beautiful pictures it created! If you're not satisfied with the images, you can click the Generate button again or change the prompt. You can even try different styles. Finally, download any image you like by clicking on this button. Now, let's move on to the next step to create the animation. I wrote in my prompt that I want a rainy day. To have a rainy day, I need to edit my image. I'm going to use Photopea, which is both free and can be used online. You can use any other software like Photoshop as well. I drag and drop my image here. Then I click on this tool and select the parts of my image that are outside the window and the city. Now that I have selected all the necessary parts, from the Edit menu, I first select Cut and then Paste to copy the selected parts into a new layer. Now I have two layers, one of the main image without the city and the other of only the city image. I turn each one off in turn and export the other and save it in PNG format. Here are my two new images. Now to animate the image, I go to an editing software like CapCut. Why CapCut? Because it's free and has different versions for mobile, computer, and online. You can use any other editing software you like. Click on Create Project, then Import. I select the song I created with AIVA and the images I created a little earlier. Now I add the song, then the image outside the window, and then the girl's image to the timeline in order. I lengthen the time of the two images to match my song. Now, if I press the play button, I can see the result of my work. But my music video doesn't have animation yet. So I click on Effects and search for the rainy effect here. I think this is a good choice. I drag it and drop it between my two image layers. I also match the length of the effect with the song. Look outside the window, it's raining. With this option, I can increase or decrease the speed of the rain. Now my image is animated, but I want to make it even more beautiful. This time I search for the sparkle effect, and I drag one of these effects that I think is more suitable and drop it on all layers. From here I can change the settings of the effect again. I want the final result to be more attractive, so I continue editing a little. When I'm done, I click on Export, and export again. By following these simple steps, you can easily create attractive and relaxing lo-fi videos that not only give you pleasure, but can also be a good source of income for you. You've got everything you need to get started, so why wait? Start now and create your first lo-fi video. Remember, success awaits you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your comments with me. And don't miss my next video.